Have you ever pondered why some individuals seem to attract prosperity effortlessly, while others struggle to make ends meet despite their tireless efforts? It's less about luck and more about psychology. Yes, you heard it right. The human mind and its perception about money play a significant role in determining financial success. So, buckle up as we delve into 5 powerful psychology facts that can help you attract money. Fact 1. Money scripts dictate financial behavior. Ever heard of the term money scripts? These are the unconscious beliefs about money that are rooted in our childhood and influence our financial behaviors as adults. Some people might hold on to scripts like, money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy, which can hinder their financial growth. To attract wealth, it's crucial to identify and transform these negative scripts into positive ones, such as, money is a tool for good, or wealth enables generosity. Fact 2. The scarcity mindset blocks abundance. A scarcity mindset is the belief that there's never enough, whether it's money, food, time, or love. This feeling of scarcity impacts the ability to think long-term and make rational decisions, ultimately leading to poor financial choices. On the other hand, adopting an abundance mindset, which sees the world as full of opportunities, can open the door to wealth and prosperity. Fact 3. The law of attraction works. The law of attraction isn't just a new age concept, it's a powerful psychological tool. It suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. So, if you spend your time worrying about debt, you'll attract more debt. But if you focus on abundance and prosperity, you'll attract wealth. So, keep your thoughts positive and see the magic happen. Fact 4. Financial self-efficacy leads to wealth. Financial self-efficacy refers to a person's belief in their ability to manage and control their financial situation. Those who believe they have control over their money, rather than feeling controlled by it, are more likely to make sound financial decisions and amass wealth. So, believe in your financial capabilities, and you'll see the change. Fact 5. Gratitude increases financial success. Gratitude can have a profound impact on your financial success. When you're grateful for what you have, you focus on abundance, not lack. This positive focus can lead to smarter financial decisions, better money management, and ultimately, more wealth. So, always remember to count your blessings. In summary, the way we think about money can significantly impact our financial situation. From money scripts and scarcity mindset to the law of attraction, financial self-efficacy, and the power of gratitude, understanding these psychological concepts can be a game changer in your financial journey. So, the next time you find yourself struggling with money, remember, it's not just about earning more, but also about understanding the psychology behind wealth and prosperity. Make the mind shift and watch the money follow.